This is how to hide locked chats on WhatsApp. Now launch your WhatsApp. Then if you wipe down, you are going to see your locked chats there. Now just tap on lock chats. Then enter your fingerprint to unlock. Then you are going to see the list of your locked chats there. Now in order to hide these locked chats, you need to tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then chat lock settings. Then you need to toggle that button there. You need to open it. Just tap on the button. Then you need to create a secret code. Then you need to enter that code that you will use to access these chats. So I'm going to enter 1122. Then tap on next. Then you need to confirm that code. Then done. Then lock chats are hidden and your secret code. So if you go back, then when you swipe down, you will not be able to see locked chats on your chats there. So that's how you can simply hide locked chats on WhatsApp. If you have found this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.